Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have more hours in the day? How they're launching new projects, scaling their income, and still have time for a life outside of work? The secret isn't some productivity hack from a forgotten book. It's sitting right on your screen. It's artificial intelligence. And today, I'm not just talking about the fancy, expensive AI that powers mega corporations. I'm talking about free, accessible tools that you can start using right now to earn real money. A recent study found that a staggering 73% of creators are already using AI to boost their income. So the real question isn't, you should be using AI, but you can join them. Why the massive shift? The first and most obvious reason is that it saves an incredible amount of time. Think about the hours spent on tedious, repetitive tasks, the brainstorming, the rough drafts, the research. AI acts as a tireless assistant, handling that initial legwork in seconds, not hours. It frees up your most valuable asset, your time, to focus on what truly matters, your creativity, your strategy, and your clients. But it's more than just a time saver. It also unlocks entirely new gigs and revenue streams that might have been out of reach before. Maybe you're a great marketer, but not a confident writer. Or perhaps you have a fantastic eye for design, but lack the technical skills for digital art. AI bridges those gaps, democratizing skills and opening doors to a whole new world of freelance opportunities. It's about augmenting your existing talents, not replacing them. Ready to see how? Let's dive into 3 powerful and completely free AI methods you can use to start earning today. Try these free tools. Number 1. Browse and earn with AI testing platforms. This is one of the most direct ways to get paid for your time and attention. AI companies are in a constant race to improve their models, and they need real human feedback to do it. They need to know, is the AI's response helpful? Is it accurate? Is it safe? That's where you come in. You become a human in the loop, a crucial part of the development process. Platforms like dataannotation.tech, Remotasks, and others are constantly looking for people to sign up and test new AI features. The process is straightforward. You create a profile, often take a short qualification test to assess your skills in writing or critical thinking, and then you get access to a dashboard of available projects. The tasks themselves are varied. You might be asked to rate the quality of an AI's answer to a question, rewrite a response to make it more natural, or even try to break the AI by finding loopholes in its safety protocols. For each task you complete, you get paid. It's that simple. You get paid per testing task. The pay can range from $20 to $40 an hour or more, depending on the complexity of the project and your skill level. It's a flexible gig you can do from anywhere, turning your spare moments into a productive income stream. Number 2. Micro-job AI writing assistance. This is where you leverage AI to become a super efficient content creator. Freelance marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with clients looking for quick, affordable writing jobs, what I call micro-jobs. These aren't 5,000-word articles. They're things like social media captions, product descriptions, email newsletters, and short ad copy. The pay for each individual gig might be small, but with AI, you can complete them at lightning speed, stacking up your earnings. Here's the workflow. A client needs 5 different Facebook ad variations for their new product. Instead of staring at a blank page, you turn to a free AI tool. You feed it the product details, the target audience, and the key selling points. Within seconds, the AI gives you a dozen different options. Your job is to use your human expertise to refine, edit, and select the best ones. You can use free AI to draft sales copy, ensuring it has the right tone and call to action. Or draft ads. The same principle applies to product descriptions for an e-commerce store, or a week's worth of Instagram captions for a local business. The AI does the heavy lifting of generating the initial content, and you provide the crucial final touch of quality control and personalization. The key to success here is volume and efficiency. You can create gig packages like 10 social media captions for $25, or 3 product descriptions for $30. A task that might have taken you an hour manually can now be done in 15 minutes. You can sell these quick gigs on marketplaces, delivering high-quality work faster than your competitors, leading to great reviews and more clients. Number 3. AI art generators with licensing options. This one is for the visual creatives, or even those who've always wanted to be. In the past, creating commercially viable digital art required expensive software and years of practice. Now, with AI art generators, you can create stunning professional quality images just by describing them in words. Many of these platforms, like Leonardo.ai or Microsoft Designer, offer generous free tiers that allow you to generate a certain number of images per day, often with commercial usage rights included. The magic is in the prompt. You can ask for anything. A photorealistic image of an astronaut drinking coffee on Mars, cinematic lighting, or a minimalist watercolor pattern of lemons and leaves for a phone case. The AI interprets your text and generates unique visuals. Your skill shifts from technical execution to creative direction. You can create royalty-ready images that are perfect for a huge range of applications. So, how do you monetize this? The most popular route is print on demand. You take your best AI-generated designs and upload them to sites like Redbubble, Society6, or Printify. These platforms handle everything: the printing, the shipping, the customer service. You simply upload your art, place it on virtual products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and phone cases, and when someone buys it, you get a cut of the profit. You can sell on print-on-demand sites with zero upfront cost or inventory risk. It's a passive income model where your digital assets can earn money for you while you sleep. Now, for a quick tip that ties all of this together: combine tools for a supercharged workflow. Don't think of these methods in isolation. The real power comes from stacking them. For example, let's say you want to start a print-on-demand store. First, use an AI art generator to create a collection of 10 amazing designs around a popular niche, like vintage cats or cyberpunk landscapes. Then, use an AI writing assistant to draft compelling, SEO-optimized titles and descriptions for each of those designs. Then refine. This is the human touch. Read through the AI-generated descriptions. Tweak the wording to match your brand's voice. Check the AI art for any weird artifacts or mistakes. Your role is that of a curator and editor, ensuring the final product is polished and professional. Finally, list your perfected products on your chosen marketplace. By combining these tools, you've built an entire business asset, a fully stocked online store, in a fraction of the time it would have taken manually. This synergy is what separates casual users from power earners. What starts as a way to make a few extra dollars can quickly scale from side hustle to steady income. As you get more efficient, you can take on more clients, launch more designs, or dedicate more hours to high-paying AI testing tasks. The ceiling is determined by your ambition and your willingness to learn and adapt. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a sustainable, flexible, and modern income stream that works for you. The tools are here, they're free, and they're waiting for you. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you. Pick one of these methods, just one, and try one today. Spend an hour signing up for a testing platform. Generate 5 pieces of art. Draft 3 product descriptions. Take that first step. And when you do, come back here and let me know how it went. Report back. I want success stories. Share your wins, your challenges, and your discoveries in the comments below. Let's build a community of creators who are harnessing this technology to build better careers and better lives. Now go get started.